Hey everyone, welcome back to Sidekick English, the friendly podcast to help you learn English step by step with a smile. If you want more fun English with us, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel and helps other learners too.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new episodes. Today, we have a very useful topic, a real-life topic, a grown-up topic.
Today's episode is called At the Bank. Money, accounts, cards, the scary ATM that sometimes eats your card.
Don't scare them. The bank is not a monster. The bank is a necessary adult problem.
So today, we will help you speak English at the bank. We will use simple English. We will explain important words. And we will tell a funny story about the bank and our friend Theo.
Wait, our friend Theo? Or me, Theo?
You, Theo. I am sorry. It's not a friend. It's a real story.
Oh no. Okay, let's start. Vocabulary first, embarrassing story later.
Good idea. Let's learn some easy, important bank words in English.
Number 1, bank. Easy, right? A bank is a place where you keep your money, not under your pillow, not in your sock, in your account.
And that is the second word, account. At the bank, you have an account. It is like a box with your name. Your money is in that box.
You can have different types of accounts. The most common are checking account. This is for everyday money, bills, rent, food, coffee, more coffee. Savings account. This is for money you want to save and not spend soon.
Next word, card. At the bank, you usually get a bank card. Many people say debit card. You can use this card to pay in shops or to take money from an ATM.
ATM means automated teller machine. But nobody says that. People just say ATM or cash machine. It's the big machine on the street or inside the bank where you put your card and get cash.
And cash means physical money, notes and coins, paper money and metal money.
Next important word, PIN. The PIN is your secret code, usually 4 digits. You use your PIN with your card.
Don't tell your PIN to anyone. Not your friends, not your dog, not your goldfish, and definitely not a stranger on the street.
Next word, balance. Your balance is the amount of money in your account. If your balance is $10, then you only have $10 in that account. So please don't try to buy a car.
Next, deposit. To deposit money means to put money into your account.
And withdraw means to take money out of your account.
Another useful word, fee. A fee is an extra cost you pay to the bank for a service. For example, maybe there is a $5 fee every month, or a fee to use the ATM in another country.
Next word, interest. This word can be confusing. Interest is extra money that the bank gives you when you save money in your account. But sometimes, with a credit card or a loan, interest is extra money you pay to the bank. We will talk more about that in another episode. Today, we keep it simple.
Yes, today is basic bank survival. Help! I am at the bank. What do I say?
Exactly. So now, let's imagine a situation. You move to a new country. You want to open a bank account. Let's walk through this in English.
Not a real walk. Don't worry, you can stay on your sofa. So first, you go into the bank. At the entrance, maybe you see an information desk.
You can say, "Hello, I would like to open a bank account." Simple and polite.
Or, "Hi, I want to open a checking account, please."
The bank worker will probably ask you, "Do you have an ID?" ID means identification. For example, your passport.
They can also ask, "Do you have proof of address?" That means a document that shows where you live, maybe a bill or a rental contract.
You can say, "Yes, here you are," and you give them your documents.
"Here you are" is a nice, polite phrase when you give something to someone. It's very common.
Now, the bank worker will probably give you some papers. They will ask you to fill out a form.
To fill out a form means to write your information in the boxes. Name, address, phone number, email, that kind of thing.
You can ask, "Can you please help me with this form?" Or, "Can you explain this, please?" If you don't understand something, just ask. It's normal.
The bank worker might ask, "What kind of account would you like?" You can answer, "A checking account, please." Or, "A savings account, please." Or, "Both, please."
Sometimes they also ask, "Do you want online banking?" Online banking means you can use your bank account on your phone or computer.
You can say, "Yes, I would like online banking." Or, "How can I access online banking?"
After everything is okay, the bank will give you your account number. That is the number of your account.
You need this number to receive money. For example, from your job, or from your parents, or from a secret rich uncle.
Do you have a secret rich uncle?
I wish. But no. My uncle gave me socks for my birthday. Many socks. All the same color.
Okay, so not a rich uncle. But still, your job or your school needs your account number to send you money. In some places, they ask for an IBAN and a BIC or SWIFT code. These are international bank codes.
They look long and complicated, but you don't need to memorize them. Just copy and paste them, or give the document to your employer.
After you open your account, the bank usually sends you a card in the mail, or sometimes they give it to you directly.
When you get your card, you usually also get a PIN. The PIN is secret. Do not write it on your card. Please. Really, people do that.
Now let's go together to an ATM with our imagination. Maybe you need cash, so you go to the ATM.
First, you put your card into the machine. The screen usually says, "Enter PIN." You put your code in.
Then you see some options. Withdraw cash, check balance, deposit, other services.
Today, we want money, so we choose Withdraw Cash. Then we choose the amount. For example, 20, 40, 60, or other amount.
After that, the machine gives you the cash. Don't forget to take your card. Really, don't forget it.
Have you ever forgotten your card in the ATM, Theo?
I was hoping you would not ask that. Yes, one time. I forgot my card in the ATM. I walked away, very happy with my money, like a movie star. Then I realized, no card.
What did you do?
I ran back. So fast, but it was too late. The ATM took my card back inside.
Many ATMs do that. If you don't take your card after some seconds, they eat it.
So I had to go inside the bank and say, "Hello, the ATM kept my card." The verb is keep in the past. Or you can say, "The ATM took my card."
That's a very useful sentence. Also, I think the ATM kept my card. Or, the machine didn't give my card back.
The bank worker asked for my ID. Then they checked the machine. After some time, they gave me back my card, but they also told me, "Next time, don't forget your card."
Good advice.
So remember these useful phrases. The ATM kept my card. The machine didn't give me my card. The ATM is not working. The last one is also very useful.
Now let's talk about going inside the bank for help. Maybe you have a problem. Maybe you want to ask a question. At the counter, you can say, "Hello." Then, "I have a question about my account." Or, "I have a problem with my card."
If your card doesn't work, you can say, "My card was declined." Declined means the payment did not work.
Or, "My card doesn't work." My card is not working.
If you think there is a mistake with your money, you can say, "I think there is a problem with my balance." Or, "I don't understand this transaction."
A transaction is one movement of money. For example, when you pay in a shop, that payment is a transaction. When you get money from the ATM, that is also a transaction.
The bank worker might ask, "Do you have your ID? Can I see your card? Can you confirm your address?"
You can answer, "Yes, here you are." Or, "Yes, of course."
And if you don't understand something, remember these magic sentences. Can you say that again, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you explain that in another way, please?
You don't need perfect grammar, just communication. That is the goal.
Now, let's have a little story, a mini drama. It is called Theo and the Bank Fee Mystery.
Oh, good. I love mysteries.
I do not love bank fees, but okay. So one day, I checked my bank balance on my phone. I looked, and I saw something strange. My balance was lower than I expected.
Suspense.
I saw a fee. Every month, the bank took a small fee. Not a big fee, but a small one. Still, I wanted to know why. So I went to the bank.
What did you say?
I went to the counter and said, "Hello, I have a question about my account." The bank worker said, "Sure, how can I help you?" Then I said, "I saw a monthly fee on my account. Can you explain what this fee is for?"
That is a very clear sentence. I saw a monthly fee on my account. Can you explain what this fee is for? Monthly means every month.
Exactly. The bank worker explained that my account had a maintenance fee. That means I pay a little money every month to have this type of account.
Oh, I know this. Some accounts are free. Other accounts have a fee. It depends on the bank and the country.
Right. So I asked, "Is there an account with no monthly fee?" The worker said, "Yes, we have a basic account with no fee." So I said, "Can I change to the basic account, please?"
And did they change it?
Yes, they changed my account, so now I don't pay the monthly fee. I felt very proud and very adult.
So from that story, we have some very useful sentences. I have a question about my account. I saw a monthly fee on my account. Can you explain what this fee is for? Is there an account with no monthly fee? Can I change to a basic account, please?
Exactly. Little phrases, big help.
Now, what about sending money? Sometimes you want to send money to a friend, your family, or your landlord. You can say at the bank, "I would like to transfer money, please."
Transfer means send money from one account to another. Inside the bank, they can ask, "To which account?" You can give the account number and say, "This is the account number." Or, "I want to transfer money to this account."
They may also ask, "How much would you like to transfer?" You can answer, "I would like to transfer $200, please." Or any other amount.
Another good sentence. Is there a fee for this transfer? Sometimes national transfers are free, but international transfers have fees.
And you can ask, how long does the transfer take? Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it takes 1 or 2 days. For international transfers, maybe longer.
Now, maybe you lose your card. This is a bad day, but we can prepare with good English.
First, if you lose your card, call your bank. Quickly. On the phone, you can say, "Hello, I lost my card," or "My card is missing." Then, "I want to block my card, please."
Block means stop it from working, so nobody can use your card.
At the bank office, you can say, "I lost my card. Can I get a new card, please?"
The worker will probably ask for your ID. Then they will cancel the old card and order a new card.
Losing your card is stressful. But if you know these sentences, it is less stressful.
Now, maybe you want to close your account. For example, you move to another country. You don't need that bank anymore. You can say, "I would like to close my account, please."
They may ask, "Why do you want to close your account?" You can say, "I am moving to another country." Or, "I don't need this account anymore."
They may also say, "You have to fill out this form," and you know now what fill out a form means.
We covered a lot today. Let's review some key phrases quickly.
At the bank entrance, "I would like to open a bank account." "I want to open a checking account, please."
With problems, "I have a question about my account." "I have a problem with my card." "The ATM kept my card." "My card was declined." "The ATM is not working."
About money, "I would like to withdraw cash." "I would like to deposit money." "I want to transfer money to this account." Is there a fee for this transfer? How much is the fee?
About your account. What kind of account would you recommend? Is there an account with no monthly fee? Can I change to a basic account, please? I would like to close my account, please.
And safety. "I lost my card. I want to block my card, please." "My card is missing. Can I get a new card, please?"
These phrases are simple but powerful. They can help you in many situations at the bank.
If some words were new for you, that's okay. You can listen again to practice. You can also write down the useful phrases and keep them in your wallet, next to your card, but not next to your PIN.
Yes, no pen on paper, please. Keep it in your head, not in your pocket.
If you want more help, you can also try to create your own mini dialogue. Imagine you are at the bank and write a short conversation using these phrases.
And if you enjoyed this episode of Sidekick English, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. Maybe a friend who is also afraid of the bank.
You can also leave a comment and tell us which bank expression was new for you today and what situation at the bank is difficult for you in English.
Thank you for spending this time with us. You are doing something great for yourself by improving your English.
Your English is your superpower, and we are your sidekicks.
See you in the next episode of Sidekick English.
Bye for now.
Bye!